Good day, fellow disciples. So, it is your favorite sensei here, Sensei Mahal. Today we will be discussing grade 11 photosynthesis, light phase, dark phase. In just 5 minutes, I'll briefly explain what happens in these two phases. So, hope you're ready. Let's start. Let's start. So, in light phase, where does it take place? Remember, light phase takes place in the grana, or we can say in the granum for singular. So this is where the thylakoids are. So remember, in the grana is where the thylakoids are. So I'm just writing side of photosynthesis process. So it's in the grana. So this happens also. So second of all, the chlorophyll molecules that are in the grana or in the thylakoid will absorb, so that I'm just use good English, will absorb radiant energy. Ne? So in thylakoid will absorb radiant energy. So radiant energy will be converted to, I'm just gonna say radiant will be converted to chemical energy. So remember, radiant energy is from the sun, the sunlight. So which means that this one is light dependent. It depends on the light or the sunlight. So from here, that is where photolysis takes place. So what happens in photolysis? So remember, in photolysis, the H2O will be broken down, and also ATP energy carrier is formed. So this will take place after it's converted to chemical energy. H2O will be broken down into two parts, into H plus, which is hydrogen rich atom, and also oxygen gas, which this will be a byproduct. So this will be a byproduct. So this will be now as oxygen that will be in the atmosphere. So now this happens in dark phase. So in dark phase, the site where it takes place, it is very good in the stroma. So that is the site where it takes place in the stroma. So here in the dark phase, we will be using, the requirements will be H2O. So here, carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, remember, this is from the atmosphere. From the atmosphere will now take this guy here, the hydrogen rich atom. So they will combine hydrogen rich or rich energy atom. So these two will combine using this energy from here, this ATP. So they will combine using the ATP, using the energy from the ATP. Then after that, now glucose will be formed as starch. Is formed as starch. So this is what takes place in both phases, dark phase and also the light phase. So remember, there's 5 requirements, or we can say the reactants of dark phase and light phase in photosynthesis. Number 1, it's the enzymes, it's chlorophyll. Number 3 is the H2O and carbon dioxide, H2O. And 4th one is carbon dioxide. And the fifth one is radiant energy. So radiant energy is that one. You can easily just say sunlight. So these are the requirements. So the products will be two. Remember, it's glucose, the main one. Byproduct is oxygen gas. So the product is glucose. I'm just gonna write it as the formula. So it's glucose C6H12O6. Sorry. Glucose, and byproduct is oxygen gas. So ladies and gents, this is what happens. This is a summary of what happens in dark phase and also in light phase. And for today we are done. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Cheers.